All right, and we have the go-ahead. We'll start our match in 3, 2, 1. All right, we got movement from 20704, a park, with their preloaded specimen held high, well, low, I guess. No movement from the Blue Alliance.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, ready, starting with a 3-point lead here. We'll see if they can keep it. All robots coming to life. There we go, all robots coming to life here on both blue and red alliance sides. We have blue alliance going to put a specimen, a alliance specific sample in the low basket here. Looks like we've got ramming speech, attempting for a low bar specimen, and on the backstroke, knocking it out of their hand. Looks like we've got Splashbots attempting to pick up an alliance neutral sample, possibly to put it in the low basket, maybe the high, we'll see. Looks like we've got a red alliance member burying specimens, well, samples to the observation zone. And handing it off to the robot. We've got 1 minute left in this match. We've got a tight score of 8-7, with the Blue Alliance leading. Current state of play is Blue Alliance with 1 sample in their low basket and 2 in their net zone. Red Alliance with 1 sample in their low basket. 5 seconds left until end game. And that is end game. 30 seconds left in this match, 25 now. Red is ahead by 5 points. That could change in an instant. We've got 10 seconds left in this match. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last match. And we have a Red Alliance victory. 15 to 19 points.